Wave Electrode is an analog EMG electrode developed by BionIT Labs for detecting the patient's surface electromyographic signal and to integrate perfectly into the prosthetic socket in order to control a myoelectric prosthesis like Adam's hand. Package content. The Wave Electrode is typically included in the Electrode pack, which includes 1 quality control document, 1 quick start guide, 1 warranty card, 1 card with QR code that provides access to the user installation and maintenance manual and all documentation in digital format, 1 Wave Electrode, 1 cable for Wave Electrode needed to connect the Wave Electrode to the prosthetic system. It is available in different lengths, 30, 60 or 100 centimeters, in order to better adapt to each user's needs. 2 suspension legs for Wave Electrode, 1 gain adjustment tool, 1 lamination kit, which contains the tools needed to laminate the prosthetic socket, including lamination blanks and screws. 1 thermoforming kit, which contains the tools needed to fabricate the vacuum-formed prosthetic socket, including vacuum blanks and brackets. Main features. With a thickness of only 8 mm, Wave Electrodes are among the thinnest active analog electrodes on the market. This allows the clinicians to create a thinner socket, increasing user comfort. Their electrical contacts are made of hypoallergenic medical-grade steel, and the case in medical-grade ABS guarantees high-impact resistance and makes them waterproof and dustproof, IP67. The Wave Electrode is available in the 50 Hz and 60 Hz models. The electrode's gain can be set through a gain level controller located on its back. Electrode wiring. Make sure the electrode cable is not connected to the prosthesis and then remove the cable plug using the tool provided in the package. Insert the cable inside the cable plug. Make sure the grey side of the electrode cable is facing the 3 holes of the cable plug. Bend the cable so that it protrudes slightly from the cable plug and cut off the extra part. Apply a small amount of the usual insulating material, for example silicone grease, into the cable plug housing on the back of the electrode. Insert the cable plug into its housing, making sure that the blue side of the cable is facing the electrode, and press down on the cable plug to insert it properly. Make sure that the back of the cable plug is flush with the back of the electrode. Electrode connection to the prosthetic socket. Insert the electrodes inside the corresponding housings of the socket, arranging its suspension legs properly with the cable facing the wrist. In case a standard quick disconnect wrist is laminated into the socket, connect the electrode's cable connectors to the 3-pin connectors. Assemble back the whole prosthesis. Connect the prosthetic hand turn on the system. And ensure the electrodes are correctly connected by operating the prosthetic hand. Gain adjustment. If needed, you can adjust the electrode gain using the tool provided in the electrode pack. To do so, act on the trimmer on the back of the electrode, setting a value from 1, low signal, to 7, high signal. This way you can optimize its value in relation to the patient's muscle tone, making sure that the signal dynamics doesn't reach too high levels, avoiding the risk of saturation, nor too low ones, avoiding the overlapping of the opening and closing commands. Muscles crosstalk. Suspension legs replacement. To replace the Wave Electrode suspension legs, remove them using the tool provided in the electrode pack. After applying a small amount of biocompatible cyanacrylate glue, insert the new suspension leg into its housing and remove any excess glue before it solidifies. Thanks for watching this video.